All right, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Spanish word into English with British English accent, ASMR, with tea. So, los paillos, palillos, chopsticks. I don't have any chopsticks. I don't have any. Not even one. Not even one. Not even one pair. Yeah. No. I know how to use chopsticks. There is a Chinese restaurant that I go to, and they only use chopsticks. Only. Yeah. Chopsticks are easy to use. Los paillos están fácil. Are easy. Chopsticks are easy. Yeah. Oh, easy, yeah. She likes to use chopsticks. He can't stand chopsticks. Oof, no. How can I use chopsticks to drink tea? How can I use chopsticks to drink tea? I can't. I can't. No puedo usar los paillos para beber mi té. But I have another cup of tea, but I don't have any chopsticks. I have another cup of tea, but I don't have any chopsticks. I used to, but not anymore. So I used to, but not anymore. Yeah. So chopsticks. He has chopsticks. She wants chopsticks. They need to use chopsticks. Yeah. He, she, they. It only has chopsticks. Yeah, only. That restaurant only has chopsticks. Yeah. Los palillos. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.